Take a ride in the 2016 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.